What's up, guys? I'm going to keep this short and show you guys the steps and products we use to take our floors from these cloudy, dirty looking floors to these new, shiny, and protected floors. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested, and I'll make another video that goes more in depth.
Alright, let's jump into step number 1. You gotta check your floors. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm just a guy who had dirty floors and wanted to make them look clean. Make sure you know what type of hardwood floors you have and check the products to make sure that they won't damage your wood. I think ours were just a polyurethane stain without a wax. But just know your floors and know what will work with them. Step number 2, purchase your products. There are 6 things you will need. Squeaky concentrate commercial hardwood floor cleaner, a spray bottle, 17-inch Clean Freak bonnet pad, 17-inch floor polishing machine, a bottle of Rejuvenate, a microfiber mop bonnet. We rented our floor polishing machine for about $55 from Home Depot for a full day. Be sure your bonnet pad and the floor polishing machine are the same size and they fit together. Step number 3, clear and clean. Clear everything off of your floors. Vacuum and Swiffer to clear anything you wouldn't want stuck in your pad so that it doesn't scratch your hardwood floors. Step number 4, spray and scrub. Slow is the name of the game here. Let the brush do the work. Lift up to go right and down to go left. Go back and forth until it begins to dry. As it dries, you might see some circular streaking. The dirtier the floor, the more streaks there will be. After it dries completely, go over a second time to clean off those streaks. After that second go around, you should notice the streaks are gone and your floors look much cleaner. Step number 5, shine and protect. Apply Rejuvenate with your microfiber pad. Wait 2 hours, then apply a second coat. You can walk on them after 1 hour. However, you want to wait 24 hours until you move furniture on them. And that's really it in a nutshell. If you're thinking about doing this, or you're definitely going to do this on your floors, watch my full video breakdown here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Peace.